Hey everybody, we're back. We're gonna do a Marshall's shop with me. Coco's at school, but we are at Marshall's, so let's see what they have. Okay, the first thing I see are these. We used to see them all the time from Anastasia, $8. And then we have this here for $7. I love their brushes. Okay, looks like we have a ton of lashes. I'm not gonna run through them, but $5, $3, $8 for packs. Oh, we're stocked up on the Real Technique sponges, and these are my faves. $12 for these. They have a bunch. They've really organized this place, which wasn't really organized before, and it looks really nice now. This little brush set, how cute, $6. Wet n Wild, I have never seen this before. You get these shades. It's gonna be $6. That's pretty. And then we have this, which we've seen before, the Glam Light palette for $17. And then we have a bunch of brushes that we've seen in the past. Oh, look at this. $10 for these brushes. I like that. Let's see. They really changed this whole area up. Look at all the palettes. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. $15. Hello. Oh, we still have this. I want to buy it, but I don't want to spend $30. You're gonna get all of those. We still have this palette for $17. I just want to see this Revolution. $6 for this. Let's look. Y'all, hello color. This is pretty. It's only $6. We have this Sephora palette here. This is going to be $7 with those shades. And then we have this one here for $6 and you get those shades. So I found another Sephora palette. So you're gonna have these two available. And then I also found Disco Diva and it's gonna be $7. We have a few of these left for $17. You still have the Norvenas here. So we have the purple one and we have this one. $20. We have this little Benefits here. It's a little trio for $16.99. Yeah, looky. $12.99 and 12.0. We've also got some Anastasia here, $12.99 as well. They have a few. We've got some Ciate London setting spray here for, what is that, $5.99. Uma, I love Uma. That's gonna be $12.99 also. NARS, remember when we used to see NARS blushes all the time? $10. Silk Road, let's see what she looks like. Okay, it's not a blush, it's a little eyeshadow duo, but she's pretty. We also have these Anastasias that we used to see all the time, $12.99. We've got Dallas here, which has been floating around for a while, $10. We've got a Bobbi Brown here, Cement 29, $10 for this. Got some Benefit here. This is going to be $10 and it is Velvet Powder Foundation 1. Got some Bridgerton still for $15. Veiled Rose. I think this has been here for a while though. Oh, we've got a MAC trio, y'all. $19.99. Still have this from Avatar for $4. Lipstick and liner. We've got a little Too Faced here. $8 for Brush On Hair Fluffy Brow Gel. And then we have this Benefit that's been here for a while too, $10. We have these here for $6. Pretty shades. This is really pretty. We have some Jaclyn here for $3.99. What is it? I don't know. Oh, lip remover. Nourishing Lipstick Remover. Got those Glam Light palettes that we've been seeing for a while, $11, and they have all of them. Okay, we just found this also. This is gonna be $14.99, and it is those shades. And then we also just found some little Milanis here, which look really, really cute. $2.99, they have two different ones. So we have this one also. And then we have these little single eyeshadows for $7.99. We have a Lorac palette here for $13. It is the Pro Palette Artist Edition. Let's check it out. But I would love this palette. She's gorgeous. Okay, we also have this pencil here. This is gonna be in Cosmic Vibes for $9.99, $10. Okay, y'all, that's it. I'm leaving now. I feel so weird talking to y'all with like no makeup and my glasses on, and like, you know, like I got up, I got the kids ready for school and like out the door, that was it. So I feel very naked in front of you right now. You don't know this, but I look like a crazy person right now because I'm literally filming and people are walking around and I look dumb, okay? If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.